Hi guys, you are welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to clean injector, the easier way to clean your injector. This is indicator flasher. We fix the indicator flasher with a bulb. Then these are our injectors with our cleaner. Here is the battery. We put the battery. As soon as you put the battery, the light start working. Okay, then here is the bulb. It start working, means the injector also is working now. Everything is working. So now we are going to clean the injector. Here is our air gun. You check, you can see that it is cleaning. The vapor is coming out, means all the dirty things inside the injector is going out. I think this injector have a little problem, so we again check this one. Yeah, you can see this one is good. This injector have a problem, so we have to change this one. So this is the easier way to clean injector.